Hello everyone, welcome to this word problem where we have this Albert visiting a library every 8 days. Bernard visit this library every 20 days. Chris visit the library every 14 days. And if all the boys visit the library on a particular day, after how many days will they visit the library on the same day again? So you could see that first, they have to visit the library on the same day again. And it is after a period of time. And so, I hope you can identify this problem as a LCM problem. And therefore, knowing that this is a LCM problem helps. Because then I would then make use of the successive division method to find the answer. So we are looking at dividing among the three numbers. Is there any common prime factor? 2 is one of them. And at this point, if any two of the three numbers has a common prime factor, we also do divide by it. So I realized that I could divide by 2. Oops, sorry. 4, 4 and 10. So 4 will then be 2, 10 will then be 5, 7 still continue to write. And at this point, I will stop. Because at this point, there is no more. Oopsie. Common prime factors anymore amongst the three numbers. Okay. And so for this particular question, the number of days will be after how many days, right? So the number of days later will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 5. And that will give me a value of 280 days later. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.